Boiler manufacturing began with design and engineering. At this stage, engineers define the boiler capacity, pressure rating, and application. A fire tube or water tube design is selected based on process requirement. All safety codes and international standards are considered from the very beginning. The next step is raw material handling. Thick steel plates, pipes, and tubes are received and carefully inspected. Overhead cranes move the material into the fabrication area. High quality steel is essential for boiler safety, strength, and long service life. Steel plates and pipes are cut and shaped using CNC and plasma cutting machines. Each component is prepared to precise dimension. Accuracy at this stage is critical because even a small error can lead to leak or failure during operation. In this stage, the main boiler body is fabricated. Steel plates are rolled into a cylindrical shell. Automatic welding machines join the shell seams. This structure forms the core of the boiler and must withstand high pressure and temperature. Now tubes are installed inside the boiler. In fire tube boiler, hot gases flow through the tubes. In water tube boiler, water flow inside the tubes and is heated externally. Proper tube alignment ensure efficient heat transfer and reliable performance. All boiler components are now welded together to complete the structure. Both skilled manual welding and robotic welding are used. Since boiler operated under high pressure, every weld joint is carefully inspected for strength and quality. At this stage, boiler accessories are installed. These include safety valves, pressure gauges, main holes, and the burner systems. Each component play a critical role in safety and control boiler operation. Boiler is filled with water for hydrostatic pressure testing. Pressure is gradually increased to the design limit. This test check for leaks and structural weaknesses. Only boiler that pass this test and approved for services. After successful testing, the boiler is painted with a corrosion resistant coating. Thermal insulation is applied to reduce heat loss and improve efficiency. These steps also protect the boiler in harsh industrial environment. In the final step, a complete inspection is performed. Documentation, nameplate, and quality checks are verified. The boiler is now ready for dispatch and installation at an industrial facility.